She's so cute.
Hello. Welcome to today's video where I have lost my sense of time during this trip, so this video is just going to be a Japan dump instead. A good portion of this will be me doing a lot of shopping, whether it's with Janie or by myself. And in some of the clips, you'll see me do a lot of blind box pulls because ever since I stepped foot into this country, I've just become a victim of gacha pulls. So here we are with 20 pulls later. Just to give you a heads up, if you also see different outfit changes and hairstyles all throughout, it's just me combining all the footage I have into various sections of this video. Oh, and I'm also pretty sure that I'm sick, so excuse my nasal, raspy ass voice.
There's no Sean Lee here. He's kind of funny. 10 out of 10 guy. Guys, this is $15. Are you gonna bring it back? We need to go back to Donkey. Buy a suitcase. Yeah, I'm serious. Can you hold my curve, please? $20. $14 for new jeans. This is $50 in Canada, guys. And then my $2. Okay, I need to put this down. Okay, guys, Made in Abyss Polaroid photo card unboxing. Never in my life have I seen Made in Abyss stuff, but today is the day. This is also Janie's pull, so
I know it's gonna be the best.
I'm hoping for anyone but Reg.
Yeah, that's right.
Is that right? Yeah, no, it's Reg.
Should we go back? Yeah, it's only $4. We're gonna go again.
God. Oh my god. Jamie, we made it. Our first time at Shibuya. We made it.
Your attention please. The train bound for Ueno and Ikebukuro will soon arrive on track number 3 for your safety.
Okay, late night fit check. Cute. Nice. This is much better. This is a potential thrift find. I don't know. I found these. This one, it does not fit me because it's too big. And then there's this too, but it's too small. I don't know about this. I also didn't know that I was filming during this time of the video, so I guess I just accidentally hit record and rolled with it midway through. I tried using my phone as a mirror because Janie was in the washroom and there's no other mirror in the Airbnb, so my last resort with this little phone screen instead. This was also the most eventful day out of the whole trip, so my friend's tattoo artist scammed her of $1,000, and I also discovered Shibuya 109 promoting new jeans, so we both definitely went through different experiences on our own this day. It's always the same angle, nothing has changed.
You should get in more.
Okay guys, first ever Japan Sony Angel haul. Unboxing.
Show the options.
I want the starfish. The one I don't want is this shell. It's ugly as fuck.
I have a feeling it's gonna be
I feel like
seahorse.
it's gonna be these ones.
I'm guessing seahorse.
This is Janie's pick. Because it's light, I think it'll be these four down here. I was one of those bitches that would hold it up and start shaking.
I feel like they would have them weigh the same.
There would be some people in Toronto I've seen where they would bring a scale with them and
That's
start
crazy.
weighing all of it.
That's crazy.
There was a sign at the store today that said, limit only one per person. Okay. This is very exciting.
I want to see first. Wait, don't show? Oh, you can show them, but I want to see which one did you not want?
The shell.
Okay. Show. She got the shell.
I had 12. I had 12 different options. Okay, at this point, I also lost track of time because initially I had planned for us to go to the Capybara Cafe early on during the trip, but clearly that did not happen because 5 to 8 days later, we finally got the tickets. I cannot stress to you guys how difficult it was to get reservations for this. I literally wake up every day at 7:50 a.m. to be exact, trying to book tickets or reservation when the slots were open at 8 a.m. And for anyone who has ever tried getting concert tickets, let me tell you that imagine that, but basically competing against everyone and their mothers, dog, cousins, ancestors, cousins of the brother, sister. It was everyone in Japan at some point. I'm pretty sure the whole country was just ganged up against me, and no one wanted me to get tickets for this cafe. Yes, I am truly very passionate up until this day as well, that it just took me way too many times to get tickets for this cafe, but eventually I did, and that's all that really matters. Anyways, here's a compilation of me with my literal idol in Japan. Just a quick Anna lore. I first discovered the existence of capybaras back in grade 9 through my ex actually. So here we are years later down the line, meeting them in real life. first time ever. It's here. One stroke.